Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of k if we have k plus 1 times, k plus 2 times, k plus 3 times, k plus 4 equals to 120, and we solve this problem for all the values of k. So here first we need to rearrange the terms and here we make the pair of k plus 1 with k plus 4, and we make the pair of k plus 2 with k plus 3, and this is equals to 120. And now we multiply these two factors and these two factors as well. So here first we multiply these values. So you see that k multiplied by k becomes k square, this k multiplied by 4 becomes here 4k, and 1 multiplied by k becomes here k, and 1 multiplied by 4 becomes here 4. So in the same pattern we multiply these two factors as well. So when we multiply k with k becomes k square, and we multiply k with 3 becomes 3k, plus we multiply 2 with k becomes 2k, and we multiply 2 with 3 becomes 6, and this whole equation is equals to 120. And now here in the next step we need more simplifications, and we have this is k square plus 4 plus 1 becomes 5k, and plus 4 into, from here we have k square plus 3 plus 2 becomes 5k plus 6, and this whole equation is equals to 120. You see here these terms are same on both of these two factors, so we will take these values is equals to x, and we get x equals to k square plus 5k. We put this value to the above equation, and it will be written as x plus 4 times of x plus 6, and this whole equation is equals to 120. And now again we multiply these two factors, and we multiply x with this x is equals to x square, and we multiply x with 6 becomes 6x, and we multiply 4 with this x becomes 4x, and we multiply 4 with this 6 becomes here 24, and this whole equation is equals to 120. Here we need to add or subtract the like terms. We have x square plus 6 plus 4 becomes 10x, plus this is 24, and we move this 120 in the left hand side, and this will becomes here 0. So here we again subtract these two values, and we obtain x square plus 10x. 24 minus 120 is equals to minus 96, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now here in the next step we need to make the factors of this equation. So for this we just break its middle term. So when we break its middle term, it will becomes x square plus we write this 10 as plus 14x minus 4x. We know that 14 multiplied by minus 4 becomes minus 96. 14 minus 4 becomes here plus 10. Okay, so this is minus 96, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now here in the first two factors we take common x, and we get the remaining values are x plus 14, and from here we take common minus x, and we get the remaining values are plus 14, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now in the next step we need to take common x plus 14 here, and we get the remaining values are x minus 4, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write x plus 14 equals to 0, and the second case is we write x minus 4 equals to 0. From here we easily get the value of x is equals to minus 14, and from here we easily get the value of x is equals to plus 4. So we get these are the two values of x, but here we need to move backward, and we substitute substitute the value of x. So in the start we take our x is equals to k square plus 5k is equals to minus 14, and in this case we have k square plus 5k is equals to 4. So from here we move minus 14 into the left hand side and we get k square plus 5k plus 14 is equals to 0, and we call this is equation number 1. From here we have k square plus 5k minus 4 equals to 0, and we call this is our equation number 2. So here we need to solve both of these two equations simultaneously. And now first we can solve our equation number 1. So our equation number 1 is implies that here we apply the quadratic formula to solve this quadratic equation. So first we write the coefficients of this equation number 1. We have a equals to 1, b equals to 5, and c is equals to 14, and we state the quadratic formula as k equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. So this is our quadratic formula, and here we substitute the values of a, b, and c, and we get the values of k. We have this is minus 5 plus minus square root of 5 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 14, and it is divided by 2 times of a, and here our a is equals to 1. Here we need more simplifications, and we get minus 5 plus minus this 5 square becomes 25, and 4 times 14 becomes 96, and it is divided by 2 times of 1 is equals to 2. And now here in the next step we have k is equals to minus 5 plus minus square root of 25 minus 96 is equals to minus 71, and it is divided by 2. Here to see that negative sign appears inside the square root, so it will become iota, and we get here minus 5 plus minus square root of 71 into iota, and it is divided by 2. These are the other two complex roots of the given equation, and now here we need to solve our equation number 2. So from equation number 2 we have this is k square plus 5k minus 4 is equals to 0. So this is our quadratic equation, and here we again use the quadratic formula to solve this equation. So first we write the coefficients of this equation are a equals to 1, b equals to 5, and c is equals to minus 4. And we again state the quadratic formula as k equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. And we substitute all the values here, and it will becomes minus 5 plus minus 5 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is minus 4, and it is divided by 2 times of a, and here our a is equals to 1. We have k is equals to minus 5 plus minus square root of 5 square becomes 25, and 4 times 4 becomes 16, and it is divided by 2 times of a equals to 2. We have k is equals to minus 5 plus minus 25 plus 16 is equals to 41, and it is divided by 2. So these are the other two real roots of the given equation. So here we get these are the 4 roots of the given equation, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.